Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys on how to migrate a website from Wix to WordPress. So I know most of us might be wondering how can I migrate a website from CMS to CMS. You'll be doing research and you just come to YouTube and you're trying to figure out how to do it. But I just figured out that you can't actually migrate a website from another CMS to another CMS, like from Wix to WordPress. Back then it was possible, but 2023 they stopped it. So what you have to do now, you have to create that website from scratch. For example, let's say you are migrating a website from Wix. So this particular platform now is Wix. So my client reached out to me and asked me to migrate this Wix website to her new domain name that she just purchased, which is WordPress. So all I have to I have to create this website from scratch using the a page builder called Elementor and Elementor Pro. So that is what you're gonna have to do if you find yourself in such situation. So here's the Wix website and here's the WordPress website I designed with in WordPress and in Elementor. So you can see everything looks identical and similar. So for those of you that don't know about the Elementor page builder, is a popular and powerful page builder. Use almost everybody use Elementor and it's very good. So I recommend Elementor if want to migrate a CMS platform like Wix to WordPress. As you can see, this is the WordPress website. Everything is just good here. If you come here, you can see the audio on the logo. Everything works fine. So if you are still in that situation, you don't have to figure out how to migrate a website from Wix to WordPress. There's no other choice. You just have to create it from scratch on WordPress. That is the only solution. You just have to do it. So I think this website, I use custom code, some custom code though, but it's still okay. Elementor is still okay to some extent. So you just have to figure it out. As you can see, everything just identical and perfect. So that's on the video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that now. And also click on the notification bell as I'll be posting more updates relating to WordPress and CMS. Kindly follow me now. Trust me, don't miss any of my video. Thank you and have a great day.